Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you tips and tricks on how to make your everyday sewing better and easier. So I'm going to be showing you how to make this one-piece collar. This collar is a one piece. It's not like those two pieces where you cut out an up collar and also cut out the bottom collar. This collar is a one piece and it helps you save a lot of time and sewing. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe because you won't want to miss anything I post. They're always educative. Please don't forget to like this video. And so let's just jump right in. Like I said, you measure your back neckline. These are your basic bodice. If you don't know how to make a basic bodice, I have a video in the description for you. You measure your back neckline and you also measure your front neckline. Done that, you're going to take your back neckline and place from this point of the line. Then you also measure your front neckline. Like I said, my front neckline is 5 inches. I'm just placing it here. And I'll also be going out by 1 inch for our bottom flap. After that, I'm just squaring this line. For shirt, I'm going to be placing 4.5 inches here. And also placing another 4.5 inches. Right angle point, I'm going to be coming up by ½ inch. I'll come up by ½ inches. And this ½ inch we just came up here, we're going to also come up, extend our line by ½ inch. Now, using a curve ruler or your pattern master, use your pattern master to make a slight curve. We're also going to be extending this line so it can get to this our buttonhole. Most of the times our buttonhole is 1 inch, so we mark out 1 inch. On the center line, we also come up by 4.5 like we did for the center back and the center front. We're extending it by 0.75 inches, making a 1 inch mark. We're going to be cutting this on fold, cut on fold. So this with ½ inch seam allowance, but I'll be sewing this edge with 0.25. Looking, you can see how smooth it looks. This is our collar is ready. As you can see how our collar is already looking. It's looking so smooth. You just use your seam allowances to attach it to your basic bodies of any of your choice, of any of the basic bodies of your choice. I use this hack for so many things,